That's the initial code that you're gonna see when you create a new Expo project. Let's explain every line of code here, but first let's get rid of this status bar. We're gonna talk about later. It's a component to handle this status bar. Let's delete it for now. Now first we have here three imports: APIs and component. This text component, that's a view component, and we here import style sheet from React Native. When you want to use view or text or image, you have to import it from React Native like this. Just type the name of component. And don't worry, we're gonna cover the most important components here in this course. So let's remove this. So this line is for imports. When you want to use something, you have to import it first. We export here our component to use it anywhere that we want. So we here just type export default function, and here the name of component. We named it app because React component is a functional component, so we just create a function and export it. And inside this function, we're gonna return the UI, any UI that you want. We have here return a view. That's a React Native component. We import it here. And this view, it's like a container for other components. We're gonna talk about it later. And we have here a text. That's another React Native component. We use it to render texts. For example, you can just type here whatever you want. For example, hello world, and press save. If you see here, we got here hello world. Our app got updated. Finally, we have here style sheet. We're gonna talk about this style sheet later, don't worry. Inside our style sheet, we have here an object called container. We have here 4 style properties. First, the Felix one, that's the mean. The Felix one prefer to flexibility. So our component, app component, take 1 from entire screen. If we just make it a half like this, now he only takes the half of screen. You're gonna understand me when we change the background color. We have here background color. We can make it red. Look, now when we change the background color, we find that our app only takes the half of screen. We can return it to 1 again to take the entire screen. Okay, and we have here align items. This a property to center the UI horizontally. For example, if we just remove it, now it got here at the start of screen because we removed the align items of center. And we have here also justify content to center the UI vertically. If we just remove it, look, the text at the top. If you think things are difficult, don't worry, we're gonna talk about styles and UI. But first, we have here a problem. Look, the text, no one can see the text because it's at the top. We want to make a save area to this status bar because we don't want our text to be at the top like that. How to do this? That's what we're gonna learn in next lesson with our first component, save area view. So don't miss next lesson.